Cats can be finicky. They seem to have a mind of their own and work, well, you're barking up the wrong tree. We at KOBELCO think that all cats should be extinct. No, not the four-leg variety, the track-mounted metal kind. So we wanted to show you how KOBELCO smashed the Cat 323LF into extinction. Introducing the new SK210LC9 excavator from KOBELCO. This machine is the newest, most innovative and powerful excavator available, making it a lion in the construction machinery kingdom. The SK210LC9 is built at our modern manufacturing facility located in Hiroshima, Japan. The Itsukaichi manufacturing facility utilizes the latest in computer-controlled machine and robotic welding that is approaching 90% of the build process. Today, over 80 KOBELCO Construction Machinery U.S.A. employees are dedicated to total customer satisfaction for each and every KOBELCO machine on the job site. At KOBELCO, quality is what the customer says it is, and quality is viewed as a company-wide process requiring constant and ongoing improvement. In this video, we will show you how the SK210LC9 tames the Caterpillar 323LF. But first, let's start with the basic specifications. The SK210LC9 weighs in at 49,500 pounds and is powered by a Hino J05E series diesel engine, which is also used in Hino commercial trucks at just over 230 horsepower. This 5-liter, 4-cylinder engine is capable of over 230 horsepower, but is only asked to produce 157 horsepower in this application, ensuring outstanding durability. Hino is a wholly owned subsidiary of Toyota and is a high-performance workhorse engine that is known for durability, efficiency, and reliability. Using the latest in technology, it's also more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly than competitive engines, meeting all required emission regulations. And because it's in a KOBELCO, it's completely supported by your local KOBELCO dealer and KOBELCO Construction Machinery U.S.A. The Caterpillar 323LF weighs in at approximately 54,000 pounds and is equipped with an optional heavy 11,700-pound counterweight. This machine is powered by a Caterpillar engine, which is manufactured by Perkins. This engine generates 161 horsepower. As you will see soon, the proof is in the job site performance, and it is important that you see how KOBELCO's technological advantages translate into extra production, economy, and superior job site performance. To do this, we decided to run these two machines head-to-head using real-world applications to show the superiority of the KOBELCO. First, we position both machines in the same area to conduct this 5-minute digging test. The KOBELCO offers superior breakout force and pump flow, and even more important to note that the KOBELCO continues to provide more flow than the CAT as the pressure increases due to efficient use of the engine power. KOBELCO also has the added advantage of having double pump flow to any single attachment function which is in use. This dramatically increases the speed of the machine. CAT does not have this feature designed into its machine, and it shows up in the production comparison. The KOBELCO SK210LC outcycled the CAT in this 5-minute test by 3 cycles, or a 12% advantage. Combine this with a 19% increase in fuel efficiency. If you project these increases over a day, a month, or even a year, this could make a big difference in your productivity. Combine this with the increased fuel efficiency and you can see how much more profitable the KOBELCO could be. To help cut through the heaviest material, all KOBELCO excavators offer Power Boost. By simply pushing the Power Boost button on top of the right-hand joystick, you increase the maximum digging forces by 10% with no limit. CAT does not have Power Boost. But why not? The machine has heavy lift, which basically uses the same valves and circuits. Another important feature that KOBELCO offers is automatic swing priority. This system enables the operator to cut an edge on a ditch or swing a heavy load uphill with full rated swing crowding force without having to manually switch to swing or trenching modes. KOBELCO Swing Priority automatically disengages for normal digging with no need for manual operator adjustment. This system can actually add performance to the swing during digging operations. Like all KOBELCO excavators, the SK210LC is built to last. This excavator was designed for hard work with heavy-duty components throughout. For example, the X-shaped car body is designed to resist the distortions that could result from heavy lifting and severe traveling conditions. The car body is connected to the crawler side frame using high-quality welding along the height of the crawler side frame. This ensures long component life by allowing stress to flow from the front end down through the car body and into the crawler side frames without encountering high stress points that could eventually lead to failure. This differs from the Caterpillar design that only attaches halfway down the side frame. The SK210LC is equipped with a 14-foot, 7-inch undercarriage and 31.5-inch shoes as standard equipment. This puts plenty of track on the ground for maximum stability during lifting or digging operations. This also gives the machine outstanding flotation when the ground conditions are unstable. The rugged design of the undercarriage features heavier and stronger components. The idlers, lower rollers, and carrier rollers are lifetime lubricated to ensure reliable performance. The factory lubricated track links are strutted and feature flexible seals to keep water and dirt out and lubrication in. KOBELCO features a triple track guide design on each side frame assembly with lower track guards as standard equipment. This compares to a 2-track guide design on the CAT. Which would you rather take on your tough job site? KOBELCO designed its main hydraulic control valve to incorporate a standard auxiliary valve section. There's no disassembly required, unlike the competition. The auxiliary valve provides bidirectional flow as well as unidirectional flow for hammers. Flow and pressure to the bidirectional valve is adjustable between single and double pump flow right from the operator's cab. Double pump flow to the bucket circuit for reduced cycle time is standard. The control system offers up to 18 attachment presets and optional built-in plumbing to save time when switching attachments, which increases productivity. In order to evaluate the lifting and load placing abilities, we positioned each machine on a level surface and lifted this 7,840-pound load. The load was moved out until the machine could no longer lift the load. The CAT lifted this load and moved it out to a radius of 26 feet 9 inches. The same load was then attached to the KOBELCO SK210LC. We moved the load out until the KOBELCO could no longer lift the load. This occurred at a distance of 28 feet 9 inches. That's a 7% advantage for KOBELCO. During this operation, we noticed that the CAT's arm cylinder could not hold the load at the full distance and would extend to compensate for the lack of hydraulic strength. The KOBELCO had no such issue. Swing is important to any construction machinery's operation. This will have a direct impact not only on digging production, but on the machine's ability to crowd ditches, to swing a heavy load uphill, or to quickly start and stop a load under the most demanding digging conditions. For this reason, we decided to put both machines on a 19-degree incline and try to swing a 5,640-pound load uphill. Again, the KOBELCO SK210LC made kitty litter of the 323LF by swinging this weight out and up the hill to a distance of 25 feet 2 inches. This compared to a mere 23 feet 1 inch by the CAT. Again, advantage KOBELCO. All of these features are designed to help this machine be the most productive excavator you can have on your job site. The SK210LC is a very maneuverable excavator. This machine has a 2-speed propel system that shifts between high and low based on work condition. In high-speed mode, the SK210LC is a champ when it comes to travel speed, at 3.7 miles per hour compared to a non-CAT-like 3.4 miles per hour for the 323LF. This is important on large job sites or pipeline projects, allowing you to get to the job quicker, and less time traveling and more time digging means more productivity. In low speed, this powerful undercarriage offers the highest drawbar pull in its weight class at 51,500 pounds compared to 46,090 pounds for the Caterpillar. To demonstrate KOBELCO's superior hydraulic efficiency, we ran both machines uphill. The KOBELCO clearly dominated, demonstrating that the KOBELCO can tackle any terrain no matter how difficult the ground conditions. The KOBELCO SK210LC is equipped with an isolated travel-propelled circuit as standard equipment, allowing the operator to propel and lift a full rated load while walking in a straight line. Watch what happens when the operator attempts to do this same function with the Caterpillar machine. It is not able to propel and lift this load at the same time. Just think how important this would be if your CAT got stuck in the mud. Again, advantage KOBELCO. One exclusive feature of KOBELCO excavators is independent travel. This allows the operator to propel, lift, and swing a load simultaneously. The machine will maintain a constant travel speed regardless of what the operator does with the front-end attachment. This system is unique in the industry. To make the job site safer, the SK210LC comes standard with swing flashers, which will warn people around the job site when the machine is beginning to swing. This will help make for a safer workplace on crowded city streets. The SK210LC is also equipped with 3 halogen lamps on the front and 2 rear work lights as standard equipment. This allows you to work in less than optimum conditions, making the machine safer at night. Good visibility is a very important safety consideration on any job site. The KOBELCO has excellent visibility out of the front of the machine. KOBELCO provides the operator with an unobstructed view up to the point of the boom. This will allow him to watch out for power lines and other overhead obstruction. In addition, all KOBELCO cabs feature ROPS and FOPS protection for your operator's safety. Now let's look at the Caterpillar design. As you can see, there is a bar obstructing the view overhead, making visibility up to the boom difficult, and the cab is not protected by a FOPS design. Rear visibility is equally important as the operator will need to frequently back the unit up. We checked both the KOBELCO and the Caterpillar for rear visibility. Both machines offer rear view cameras, but we found that the CAT had a blind spot to the right of the operator. Even at 25 feet, our assistant could not be seen from the CAT's cab. This is potentially a safety issue on the job site. We ran the same test on the KOBELCO, and the assistant was stopped at a distance of 5 foot 6 inches before he was out of sight of the operator. Since we were not able to visually see the assistant on the CAT, we do not have the difference in distance. This is clearly an advantage KOBELCO and could make a big difference as to the safety on your job site. The CAT was not too happy when we decided to take a look at the cab design of both machines. The comfort of the operator, as always, is a high priority in the KOBELCO design. This cab is the industry's largest, helping to ensure that the operator has plenty of elbow room. The SK210LC's pilot control levers can be adjusted to 3 height positions, allowing for comfortable operation no matter how tall the operator is. The left-hand pilot control on the KOBELCO can be moved up and out of the way for easy entry and exit. The easily accessible multifunction control levers support the 2 most common control patterns: the standard excavator pattern and the alternate backhoe loader pattern. For year-round comfort, KOBELCO has designed a climate control system that will keep the operator warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It will even display temperatures in degrees, Fahrenheit, or centigrade. For the operator's enjoyment, the SK210LC comes standard with an AM/FM radio. All of these design features are to help make your operator comfortable, and a comfortable operator is a productive operator. The cab has 2 air filters, one for outside inlet air and one for inside recirculation air. Replacement is easy because both are behind the operator's seat on the door side of the cab. Where KOBELCO really tames the competition is in our new control system. This is the most advanced control system on the market today. Located on the monitor, right above the engine coolant temperature gauge and fuel level gauge, are the H, S, and E work mode indicator lamps. H is the default mode for all KOBELCOs. This mode allows the operator to utilize the maximum output of the machine for more productivity. It's perfect for mass excavating or cross-country pipeline work. S mode stands for standard mode and is useful for job conditions requiring multiple phases of operation, such as laying sewer pipe. Standard mode further enhances the fuel efficiency of the machine when maximum speed is not required or desired. The E or Eco mode is used when maximum fuel economy is preferred over high-speed operation. It maximizes efficiency of the machine as measured as a relationship between number of cubic yards moved per gallon or unit of fuel used. Additionally, there is a green eco light inside the fuel gauge that flashes during time of economical operating conditions to further encourage efficient operation from your operator. Preset modes like breaker and nibbler can be engaged at the touch of a button. In breaker mode, the operator can quickly adjust the pump flow and pressure rates for various attachments like hammers and tampers, as well as check the pressure of these attachments from the comfort of the cab. For optimum operation of a hammer or similar attachment, the return oil goes directly to the hydraulic tank to minimize return back pressure. Nibbler mode is for bidirectional attachments such as shears that can require up to 2 pump flow. As many as 18 tools can be preset for pressure and flow with this system. Maintenance on an excavator has never been easier than on the new SK210LC9. For example, routine maintenance on the engine is made easy with plenty of access to all major checkpoints. The radiator is a tropical cooling system, which is a heavy-duty cooling package that is standard equipment on all KOBELCO excavators. During normal operation, this is an area that needs to be cleaned. The extra openings in the side door let more air across the side-by-side radiator, intercooler, and oil coolers. And to keep the coolers clean, there is a removable screen. On the 323LF, the radiator is also side-by-side, but the turbo intercooler and AC condenser are a stacked design, utilizing a complicated and expensive swing-out frame system for service. In addition, there is no screen to protect this area. To help protect the side of the machine against accidental minor damage, the KOBELCO has triangle-shaped guards built into the side of the machine as standard equipment. On the 323, this is an additional cost. The tandem mount design of the KOBELCO's main pumps eliminates the need for additional gears and bearings, common to a side-by-side mounting on the CAT machine. This type of mounting will add additional maintenance costs that are unnecessary and can cause major downtime. Also, the main pump's hydraulic oil tube and piping is only 1 inch above the lower guard plate. This is an area that will most likely get bent upwards by rocks, wood, or rebar from the tracks, causing you major downtime. Compare this to the KOBELCO design that is over 5 inches above the lower guard plate. With KOBELCO's self-diagnostic system, you can check dozens of different service items to help maintain peak performance. The system also has a 100-event fault code memory with timestamp to identify any trouble areas, viewable from the cab's control console. This helps diagnose issues quickly, which means more productivity at the end of the day. From the cab, the operator can monitor all engine, electrical, and hydraulic functions, including engine RPM, hydraulic pressures, when the next oil change is due, and much more. Being able to review machine data like this eliminates the need to use complicated tools or computers. The electrical system on the KOBELCO features a simple 2-battery system that is well protected from the elements. Compare this to the CAT's 4-battery system that has critical electrical components exposed to dirt and water. This could ultimately lead to component failure. In the event that the SK210LC9 needs support, it's likely the owner already knows about it. The SK210LC9 is equipped with the KOBELCO Monitoring Excavator System, COMEXIS. The SK210LC9 can report its location data, operating hours, fuel consumption data, work status, maintenance data, and warning alerts using a global system of satellites. The information is accessed using an internet browser and protected by a user ID and password. With remote machine management a growing need for today's owners, COMEXIS makes you proactive. No one else makes it this easy. Throughout this machine, we have incorporated a lot of standard equipment not found on the Caterpillar. For example, the arm comes standard with a vertical reinforced rock guard. This protects the arm's inside plate from being crushed when the operator accidentally curls the bucket in with a full load. The standard boom and arm is reinforced to handle severe demolition jobs. This includes the reinforced bucket idler linkage. Compare this to CAT's HD boom, which is not equipped for such heavy-duty work. To make using attachments easier, KOBELCO has configured the boom and arm with tap locks for easy installation of auxiliary piping. The boom foot and hoist cylinders have wear-resistant brass bushings fortified with graphite inserts. This inhibits friction and extends lubrication intervals. Additionally, the bushings used at the bucket-to-arm connection employ a unique flange design that places a hardened steel and replaceable flange against the bucket to eliminate side arm wear as the bucket rotates. This area is further protected with a large O-ring seal and double lip seals on the arm side to seal in grease and seal out dirt. On the CAT, the bucket rotates directly against the side of the arm, increasing the wear and tear in this area. All of the structural components of the KOBELCO boom are generally thicker and stronger than the HD boom on the CAT. The CAT's rotation sensor for the grade control system hangs outside of the width of the boom, exposing it to damage during digging or trench box work. Compare this to the cleaner and narrower design on the KOBELCO. As you can see, not all cats land on their feet, and in this comparison, you could say that KOBELCO simply buried the cat, helping to rid the planet of another fat cat. For world-class performance, commitment to quality and reliability, KOBELCO Construction Machinery USA. Driven by passion.